with Chef Ricardo back in the kitchen one more time again, guys. We all know that today in America is Thanksgiving Day, and it's a big day. You know, a lot of people been roasting a lot of turkey, chicken, beef, also the roast gonna be happening. It's a big holiday. So guys, I want to simply say to you, I did roast chicken before, and you know, I decided to just say, give you guys a tips and idea. You can make yourself a nice natural juice at home to share with the family, something different on the table. So hopefully you like the recipe. Subscribe to the channel and leave your comments. It's just orange and applins and ginger. So that's a natural juice, sweetened with a little bit of sugar and a lot of ices. So it's just refreshing and nice, and it's a Thanksgiving Day recipe from Chef Ricardo and the team. Tomorrow is Black Friday. It's a big sale in between the US and London, also all over the world. A lot of people are gonna do a lot of shopping. Remember, there's a 50% on Chef Ricardo cooking book. Get your copy and definitely you will enjoy it. So guys, thank you so much, and this is from Chef Ricardo and the team, and see you next time. Lovely. I know it is Thanksgiving Day in America today. Basically then I'm gonna do the turkey, and I'm decided to make a natural drinks, which if you're making your supper or your dinner, whatever you're gonna make for today, because today is holiday in America, this is the natural juice, so you can serve it to dinner. Beautiful drink, simple and effective. All right, lovely and nice. I'm just gonna make you a simple Thanksgiving drinks for your roast dinner. Lovely. So basically what I want to simply say to you, I got cucumber, just a little piece of a cucumber, quarter piece of a fat chunk of ginger, half of a red green apple, and half of a red apple, and a medium-sized carrot. I doubt I'm gonna use one of this carrot. I'm just gonna use roughly about that amount of carrot. Put the rest in here. Pour some water down inside of it like this. Roughly a large cups, 2 cups of water, just to free up the blender. Lovely. Cover your blender. Second thing, blend this for roughly about 4 to 5 minutes until it come out really fine and smooth. All right. Nice one. So this is finished. Basically, I have my strainer right here, and all I'm gonna do, simple, pour it in like this. Get all of these crops. These are the crops. You don't need those crops, guys. Last one. So as you can see, what we're gonna do is add a little bit more water on it like this. Strain it, wash out my strainer. That's it. Lovely and nice. And second thing, just get a large spoon of granulated sugar. Another one. I just squeeze out an orange juice. Just gonna simply pour it straight inside of it like this. Simple. It's just a little treat. And all I'm gonna do, I have some black currant. I'm gonna pop a little bit of black currant, just a little bit, not too much, guys, because you don't want to change the color too much. Let's give it a taste. That's beautiful. Beautiful. Where I said beautiful, this is proper beautiful. Alright? Second thing, your glass. Make sure you got a lot of ice, because I love my ice. Thanksgiving Day drink. Ginger, apple, carrot, and orange. Basically, recipe that, guys. You can do this at home and share with the family. You know, it's a roast dinner day today. So just enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and leave your comments if you think it's nice. Enjoy the recipe and see you next time. This is from Chef for you guys. Thank you so much, and hopefully you have a wonderful time. Enjoy yourself and see you in the next time. Bye bye.